Hello everyone. If you keep getting this error on Battlefield 6, DXGI, error device hung, or DXGI, error device removed, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix that annoying error on Battlefield 6. So I'm going to show you two solutions. First, the easy one, which is you're going to open up your NVIDIA control panel by right clicking on your desktop and clicking on NVIDIA control panel. And once you're on there, then you're going to click onto help, and then you're going to click onto debug mode. Make sure this is ticked on. And once it's done, you're going to go ahead and try to play the game and check if that fixes the issue. If it did, then that's good. But if it didn't, then what you're going to do is you're going to open up the start menu, and then you're going to write here device manager. You're going to click onto display adapters here, and then here you should have a driver called Intel UHD. So you're going to right click on that. You're going to click disable device. Don't worry, it shouldn't mess up your computer. And then once you're here, you're going to right click on Intel UHD graphics. You're going to right click on that. You're going to click onto disable device. Don't worry, that shouldn't break up your computer. And once you're done, your display may restart one or two times. Then you're going to go ahead and you're going to restart your computer. And once you're done with the restart, then you're going to go ahead and install this driver. I'm going to put this link into the description. You're going to download this driver first, and then you're going to install it. And once you're done downloading the driver, then you're going to go ahead and first disable your internet connection by clicking on your internet like this, going here, click on disable here. Once you're done with disabling your internet, then you're going to go ahead and install that driver. Once you're done installing the driver, you're going to restart your computer once again, and that should fix your issue. So there it is, guys. That's how easy it was to fix that Battlefield 6 DXGI device error hung or removed. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.